Hi, billionaires and viewers. I'm super excited today to host you again. In our last week video, I was able to show you the site update and the work development at the Lekki-Akodo Expressway that connects you from the 𝘱𝑏𝑒𝑗𝑢 junction to 𝘱𝑭𝘰𝘵 as well as the Lakwe and 𝘱𝑏𝑒𝑗𝑢, and from 𝘱𝑏𝑒𝑗𝑢 to the 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖 axis. So I was able to show you what is happening and the development, what is going on in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. So I remember vividly that we stopped at the 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖 Expressway. So today I'll be taking you on a tour again from the 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖 Expressway to the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Deep Seaport, as well as the Lekki Free Trade Zone. So I'm going to show you the Coastal Road Expressway that connects you to those beautiful and mega cities. So what I expect from you is for you to watch this video till the end, as I'm going to show you the update and the site development. So thank you and let's go. Welcome back, billionaires and viewers. If you are just tuning in to my YouTube channel, my name is Wisdom Friday, your real estate broker in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so that in case I bring video, you will have access to it. And remember that our primary goals and objective is for us to make you a happy landowner and a proud landowner in the city of Lagos and Nigeria as a whole, in line with sustainable development goals. So here is the 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖 Expressway. So this major expressway connects you to the Coastal Road, and along this 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖 Expressway we have the MN Estate Phase 1 and the MN Estate Phase 2 as well. So welcome to the Coastal Express Road, and this Coastal Express Road is the major highway that connects the Lekki Peninsula. It also connects the Ekpe axis and the Lekki Free Trade Zone. And this road also as well connects you through the Port Harcourt and the Calabar Expressway, according to His Excellency Dave Umahi, the Minister of Work. He also approved this project that is going to start operation. So this major road, which is the Coastal Road that connects you to the Dangote Refinery, connects you to the Lekki Free Trade Zone, connects you as well to the Deep Seaport. It will as well connect you to the Port Harcourt and as well as the Calabar city. So definitely, investor, this is the major beautiful way for you to build your massive investment in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. And moreover, I'm going to give you a brief analysis of this Coastal Road. This Coastal Road is expected to open up area for rapid development and enhance transportation and commerce. In a real estate investors will benefit greatly from this Coastal Road project. Do you know why? I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons why I said that a real estate investors and billionaires will benefit greatly from this Coastal Road project. Number 1 is the increase in property value. As I said in my last video, I said that once there is an access road for you to access an area very fast, there's going to be increment in property. Just imagine that the property that we were currently selling in Ibeju Lekki Coastal Road Expressway then for 7 million, it has now appreciated to 22 million. Do you see why increment in property value by development of road increased to? So that is the beauty of you investing early in real estate. And the second reason I want to share with you is the access to new market. So with the easy access to this road, coastal road, so you can see a lot of businesses will be striving, a lot of hotels will be striving, a lot of good schools will be striving, and a lot of businesses in this area is going to be striving because they have easy access to road. So they can import their raw materials, they can also export their raw material outside and inside of Lagos with easy access because of the road access. So basically, that is why we encourage both Nigeria in abroad and a diaspora for them to take their investment very serious. And the number 3 reason, there will be improved in infrastructure. Infrastructure in the sense that a lot of people will be coming in to build good school, to build good market, to build good hotel, to build good eateries. And this is going to bring rapid development to this area. So if you are out there, you are looking for a profitable investment, we have a profitable investment for you, which is the MALDIVES Garden here in Ibeju Lekki. It's just a 7-minute drive from the Dangote Refinery and the Lekki Deep Seaport. Please watch this video till the end, as I'm going to show you the investment at the end of the video. And the number 4 reason is that is also the potential for rental income is going to increase, because a lot of people will be coming here to work at Dangote Refinery. A lot of people will be coming here to work at the Deep Seaport, and a lot of people will be coming here to work at the Lagos Free Trade Zone. So that means that property value is going to increase. As I'm talking to you right now, in 2 years ago, property value in this area for a year was going for 500,000 for a year. That is a safe con. But currently now, by statistics, there are some areas that you see for 1 million, that is for a year, 2.5 million and 2 million. It depends on how beautiful or how sweet the apartment is. And the number 5 reason is the capital appreciation. You know, as a lot of population are migrating from the Lagos mainland to the busy area, which is the new Lagos, the coastal area, which we have the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Deep Seaport, and as well as the major businesses in this area. So there will be a lot of migration. A lot of people will be migrating there. Let me just give you an example. There is one of our property we were selling like 2 years ago for 7 million. It's currently selling for 22 million now. That is how capital appreciation in your investment. So what you need to do right now is for you to call the number on your screen, so that we show you property that are going to give you capital appreciation. If you are looking for 2 years interval, you are looking for 3 years interval, you are looking for 5 years interval. Just imagine that you bought a property now, we are currently selling for 22 million. In the next 3 years, 2 years to come, now you're selling for 50 million. How will you feel? You feel happy, right? So basically, in summary, this coastal road project in Ibeju Lekki is expected to boost the growth of this area and increase the value of real estate. And that is why we are here to ensure that you as well become a proud landowner and a great investor in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll be also diving you and also show you some basic thing about the Dangote Refinery and the Lekki Deep Seaport. In our last video, I was able to give you some brief analysis on the Lekki Free Trade Zone. I remember vividly, I said that it is a popular free trade zone in Nigeria and one of the fastest growing zones in the world, according to the World Bank record and statistics. And also, it is a special zone for economic activities. So there are going to be a minimal taxation in this Lekki Free Trade Zone axis. And basically, this major expressway is the Lekki Free Trade Zone Expressway, but it's called the Coastal Expressway. And here there are a lot of small businesses, a lot of big businesses that are going to strive and also prosper. And also this same major road also leads you to the Dangote Refinery. Before we get to the Dangote Refinery, I would like to share some tips about the Dangote Refinery. So Dangote Refinery is going to be producing over 650,000 barrels of crude oil per day, and it's also situated in the Gulf of Ibeju Lekki axis of the Lagos, Nigeria, and it also have over 6,180 acres of land and over 2,500 hectares of land. Yes, right away, that is where the Dangote Refinery is situated. And much over, you can see the building in front. That tall building, that is where the Dangote Refinery is going to start. So we are fast approaching. But then let me share another tip. It is the largest single train refinery in the world. So that means, according to business statistics, is expected to employ over 100,000 Nigerian youth into the Dangote Refinery. So you can see we are fast approaching. That is the Dangote Refinery. You can see everywhere is getting busy. You can see the doors on the air. So you can see the cement. The tank of the cement is already positioned well. So that shows how busy this environment is going to be. And that is the gate. Yes, you can see the signpost of the Dangote Refinery there. You can see workers already there. You can see how busy the environment is. You can see the building inside there. So the Dangote Refinery, as I say, is a very big, massive investment in the Gulf of Africa. And opposite right away there, we are fast approaching the Lekki Free Trade Zone as well. And also opposite the Dangote Refinery, we also have the Lekki Deep Seaport. And the beautiful thing about the Lekki Deep Seaport is that it's a multi-billion purpose deep seaport in the Lagos Free Trade Zone, and is the only current operating deep seaport in the country, having started full commercial operation in April, that was 2023, when His Excellency, the former President 𝘱𝘭𝘮𝘀 Buhari, came to commission. It is the largest seaport of Nigeria and one of the biggest in West Africa. That is the Lekki Deep Seaport. And the Lekki Deep Seaport also, according to the business statistics, is going to provide over 200 or more thousand to Nigerian youths as well. So this area is going to be the busy area of the Lekki Free Trade Zone. So you can see right away the building, that is the Lekki Deep Seaport. So that is the Lekki Deep Seaport. You can see the construction. You can see big terminals here at the Lekki Deep Seaport. So that is where a lot of bigger importation in which the Apapa Seaport can handle. But the Lekki Deep Seaport is going to handle this importation. And right away, smart investor and billionaires, you are watching me. It is a high time for you to position yourself here for the mega harvest, because this harvest is going to come in multiple folds. Just imagine that you acquire a property here in this beautiful area. Look at 2 years to come, 3 years to come, 5 years to come. You are going to become a billionaire. That is how the likes of Tony Lumelu, the likes of Michael Otedola, and the likes of Dangote become billionaires through real estate. So there is a property I'm going to share with you. It is a 5-minute drive from the Dangote Refinery to the Maldives Garden Estate. It depends on your speed. If there is traffic, you can spend 10 minutes or 7 minutes. But in an ideal situation, it depends on your speed. It's supposed to be 5-minute drive from the Dangote Refinery and the Lekki Deep Seaport to this property, which is the Maldives Garden Estate. And it have a very good title, C of O. It comes with residential and commercial plots, and it is very, very affordable. So what you need to do is for you to call my number on the screen so that we'll put you on a virtual inspection and a physical inspection if you are in abroad, so that you can ensure that you become a proud landowner and also reap from this mega harvest that is happening in the new Lagos, that is the Ibeju Lekki axis, and as well as the coastal roads. So smart investor, I'm very happy to ensure and show you that this major road is where the billionaires are going to become multi-billionaires. So what you need to do right now is for you to call the number on your screen. We'll be there to guide you to ensure that your investment is secured. And moreover, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so that in case I bring video like this, you will have access to it. Don't forget, my name is Wisdom Friday, your #1 real estate broker in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. And you can as well visit my website, realestatebroker.com, to search for any property that you wish to search for comfortably. So thank you and remain blessed. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and bye for now.
If you know, you know. But if you don't know, you know.
Now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. The big ballers in town. Now you know. Now you know. 𝐿𝑒𝑘𝑘𝑖. Forget what they know them, yes. Agbabola. How much is money?
It's nothing.
Ballin'.
Alapa.
Premium or nothing.
And them or nothing.
Now you know.
Now you know.